Alright guys, welcome to the video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a very quick tip on how to do Amazon FBA product research. It's using a tool called Helium10. It's not super complex, but I think it's really going to help you out with your product research, so don't miss it. If you're not familiar with the channel, my name's Alex. I'm one half of the Honest Entrepreneurs. And basically what we're trying to do is we're trying to document our Amazon journey, growing our own 6-figure brand into a 7-figure exit in the next few years. And what we're going to do along the way is we want to share tips, insights, basically real information and real insights into the world of Amazon FBA so that you can learn from it and you can try and avoid the mistakes that we made very early on. So let's dive into it. Let's have a look at the actual tips. So I want you to imagine, right, that we've been doing product research and we've come across this. So this product is it's like a big blanket. It's a bohemian throw. So basically, normally what you would do is you come down here, you have a look, you look at the reviews, you look at all this sort of stuff. What I want to do is I want to show you how to delve into the actual keywords that this product ranks for. Now, this is where Helium10 is absolutely amazing. So if we come down to this part of the listing and we click here on keywords, what will happen is Helium10 will load up its Cerebro tool that looks a little bit like this. So this page is basically all of the keywords that product that we just looked at ranks for on Amazon. So what we can see here is we can see the total number of keywords, 2,067. We can see that it's on 90 sponsored keywords. So that means that this particular product is bidding on 90 keywords in PPC or Amazon advertising. Then we can see that it ranks for 841 organic keywords and it's in Amazon's recommended 1,300 times. So one of the best things you can do from this point is you can actually filter now to show you keywords that it ranks for between position 1 and position 25. Now the point of this is it's going to show you the most relevant keywords that this product is ranking for organically. And if we come down here and then we sort by search volume, what we're going to see is a ton of keywords now that this product ranks for. So the very top one here that you can see is hippie room decor. Now if we take a look at this on the right hand side, you can see that it ranks number 3 for this. So this keyword is absolutely massive. You can see that there's 53,000 people search for hippie room decor. If you were to just look at this product in a vacuum, you might see it as a blanket, as a throw. You might not really understand the kind of person that's looking for that product or what's behind it. You might not even find this keyword if you're not using Cerebro and you're not delving into the keywords. So this is why for me Helium10 and the Cerebro tool is so important, because it allows you to come into this and it allows you to see all of the keywords that product is ranking for. So this is an example, hippie room decor. We've gone from sofa cover or bohemian sofa cover, and we found a super high volume, completely different keyword that is going to open up a whole nother set of products for us that we can look at. So if we click on this here, what this is going to do is going to load up this keyword. So now we're looking at hippie room decor. Now don't forget this keyword had a volume of 53,000, so that's an insane amount of demand. And what it does is this shows us the niche that people that are kind of hippies, or they're interested in kind of decorating their house like a hippie, for example. It shows us what these people are actually looking for. So now you get to see a ton more opportunities for product ideas. So like this here at the top, for example, is like a little tin sign, stay trippy, little hippie. Then we've got these hippie gnomes here on the right hand side. Then we've got vintage wall decor, and we've got stuff like dream catchers, all of this sort of stuff. So you can see here, if I'm a hippie and I search for hippie room decor, which 50,000 plus hippies a month search for, there's a ton of different things in here, a ton of different product ideas that you can explore. So we got here like door, string, curtain. Do you remember those? I don't know whether any of your parents or anybody had those, but I remember those. You'd walk through and it'd be like getting hit in the face with a bike chain or something, but it was a bit weird. But basically what this pulls out is tons of ideas of stuff that you can look further into, like pillow covers. This is some sort of cushion, seating, hanging plants, another sort of hippie psychedelic sort of tapestry thing, chair throws, which was what led us onto this. So yeah, so this is kind of my point, and this is the tip of the video is come in here, have a look at Cerebro, and then what you'll see is you'll get a ton of different ideas. So again here, bohemian room decor. These are all things that are obviously related to people that are hippie or bohemian and that sort of stuff. You can see these mirrors that are shaped like moons, see all of these decoration type things. But my point is, if you hadn't have clicked in here and you hadn't have gone to these very specific keywords, you wouldn't ever be looking at this. You would still be looking at like throws and clicking through. But what you can do is if you go on there and you search and you filter by the organic rank, it throws up a ton of ideas, bohemian blankets, hippie chair, tribal pattern blanket, chair throw, gypsy seat, bohemian clothes, room hippie decor. You get the point. So this is an amazing way to find different products, to find different niches. Whatever product I look at now, if I'm doing product research, I will always come into Cerebro. I will always filter between 1 and 25, and it just throws up tons of ideas for other products. It's really integral that you understand how keywords drive sales, and everything is based around keywords on Amazon. Keywords are how customers find products, and it really gives you information on what they're looking for. You can look at the very long keywords to see very specifically what people are looking for. It just gives you tons of ideas for niches and products. So that was it. I hope you enjoyed it. It was a quick one, but hopefully if you didn't know it, if you've not used Helium10 for that, maybe it'll help you out with your own product research. If you are interested in product research and coaching and FBA and mentorship and all of that, if you are interested in doing better product research, Tom and I have actually just released over 8 hours of content in a product research course that we've been working on for a few months. Check that out in the link in the description. If you do want a discount for Helium10, we do have some affiliate codes. Now, full disclosure, we obviously get a little affiliate kickback for this, but you can get 50% off your first month by using the code TheHonestH50 or TheHonestH10 if you want 10% off for life. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what other types of content that you want to see. You know, we're trying to do a lot of different content related to Amazon. We're trying to show you insights into our own business. I hope you like this one. I'll try and bring you more tips with Helium10 because it's a tool that we use every single day and it's amazing. And I will see you in the next video.